In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your account type on Robinhood using your PC. Knowing whether you have a margin account or a cash account is really important, as it affects how you can trade, how quickly you can access your funds, and what kinds of risks or restrictions might apply to you. So let's walk step by step through the process to make sure you're set up exactly the way you want. First, open the Robinhood website on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account using your regular credentials. Make sure you're on the official Robinhood site for security reasons. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the account option. Simply click on it. A menu will drop down, and from here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page with various configuration options for your account. On the Settings page, find and click on Investing. This is the section where you can manage most of the major aspects of how your account operates and what features you can use. Now, once you're in the Investing tab, look for an option called Account Type. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see what kind of account you currently have with Robinhood. There are two main types, margin and cash. A margin account, which is also called Robinhood Gold, allows you to borrow money from Robinhood in order to trade larger amounts than just what you have in cash. This can be a powerful tool, letting you leverage your investments for potentially higher returns. However, keep in mind that you'll be charged the interest on any amount you borrow, and borrowing always comes with increased risk. It's a good idea to only use margin if you're comfortable with these risks and understand how margin trading works. The other option is a cash account. With a cash account, you're limited to trading only with the money you actually have deposited. After you sell a stock or other security, the funds typically take about 2 to 3 business days to fully settle and become available for you to use again. This approach is less risky than trading on margin, as you're not borrowing funds, but keep in mind the settlement period when planning your trades. If you ever want to double check which type of account you have active, you can always return to the Account Type section under Settings and Investing. It's a good habit to check this from time to time, especially if you're thinking about making changes to your investing strategy. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this guide on how to check your account type on Robinhood. Keeping track of these details will help you stay in control of your trading experience.